Then this is the introduction of our new chapter, Clothes We Wear. Okay, it is a short introduction, so please watch it carefully.
You all know we need clothes to cover our body. It protects us from dirt, heat, cold, wind and rain. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about different types of clothes which we wear according to different seasons. So we'll be focusing on summer season, winter season and rainy season. So let's move on to summer season first. You can see some pictures of the dresses which we wear in summer season. The first one is t-shirt, then comes shorts, then frock, shirt, cap and skirt. During summer season, we prefer to wear cotton clothes. The reason is these clothes are cool and they absorb sweat. And we can easily dry these clothes also. We get cotton from cotton plants. The next season is winter season. As you can see, in winter season, we prefer to use warm clothes. So, we used to make the clothes made up of wool. The examples are lower, woolen lower, sweater, muffler, woolen socks, cap, and all sorts of cardigans. Woolen clothes keeps us warm. We get wool from sheep. We get silk from silkworm. The next season is rainy season. As you can see, during rainy season, people use umbrellas, they wear raincoat and gumboots. The reason behind this is these clothes are made up of waterproof materials and they keep us dry. Now, apart from this, I'm going to tell you there are some other types of dresses also, that is uniform. Uniform, from the name itself, you can understand it's about the uniformity. According to different profession, people wear particular dress that is called uniform. As you can see, the hospitals, the doctor and the nurse wear different uniforms. At the same time, the policeman, the firefighters, they all have different sorts of uniforms. So let us see this with the help of some pictures. This is a picture of hospital where you can see a doctor and a nurse. They are wearing white dress and white coat. The next picture is about the soldiers. You can see their uniform is different from what the doctor and the nurse were wearing. Next is school uniform. Children, you can easily see the difference that every school has got its own uniform and every uniform is different. Your uniform is different from what your friends and your other neighbor children are wearing. Next one is the policeman. The policeman has got a different set of uniform. It varies from different countries. Then comes the firefighter. They usually wear this sort of bright colored dress as uniform. Now I'll tell you, apart from the uniform also, we have got some other categories of dresses like costume. While performing particular dance, representing a particular stage, we used to wear different costumes. These are the different dresses which we wear to represent particular stage. As you can see, Jagui, Bharatanatyam, Bhangra, Kathakali and Rajasthani folk dance. All these costumes are very much different from each other. Now we'll discuss about another type, that is traditional wear. These are the traditional dresses which are worn by the people of the particular state, representing the beauty of their particular state. As you can see, the first picture is of Kerala, then comes Gujarat, then Rajasthan, then Punjab, then Manipur, and then comes Maharashtra. Okay, children? Now, let us revise the whole video once again, what we studied today. We need clothes to cover our body. It protects us from dirt, heat, cold, wind, and rain. In summer, we wear cotton clothes. In winter, we wear woolen clothes. In rainy season, we wear raincoat and gumboots and use umbrellas. According to different profession, people wear particular dress that is called uniform. Different dance forms have different costumes. Dresses varies according to the tradition of particular state.